London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Aji bhi malo the guest ase. Bangalore ba dita ase aro England ba dita ase. To tahan charge inde lene jabo mola friend mojun bhat banai khawle aro waterfall bi sawle tahan waterfall di jaw ko ase. Mola guest kan introduce kuri dibo. Is Blake. Hello. And Grace.
Yeah. Hey.
Vidya and Abhishek.
Hello.
Namaskaram.
Are you guys excited to go?
Yeah.
Definitely. We are so excited and we love this place so much and it's like we belong here.
Thank you. I'm happy that you like my place.
Yeah.
Are you excited, Madam Ji?
Oh yeah, Madam G is so excited. We're going to a waterfall.
Yes, yes.
Can't wait.
तो अजी तो मुर्की खाओ मुर्की किन्होंने जावले से दिया रास्ता रे तो मिठाई दल लगी बो मिठाई दल ले लो दूर से मुला खोला दुकान से बिहार अंकल थे ये तो ताला सोडे बेसिक थिंग्स कान होता है कोई दगा नहीं कि बिचारे इधर पाए मिठाई दल लो चिली पाउडर और हल्दी मसाला इधर लो आंधी मिठाई दल दी चिली वाला और चिली पाउडर और किस है चिकन मसाला है लोकल देवले तो इधर को भी ना लगे होले भी ब्रॉयलर तो मिठाई तेल और मसाला खाना था इले तो टेस्ट नहीं ना लोकल दे इधर को ना थले चिली पाउडर और चिकन मसाला ना मैं कहते थली देना बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जाता हुआ तो कमेंट भी ऐसे एकला एकला ज़्यादा और मैं भी जाने एकला ज़्यादा भी दुख है बोले पुला मला फ्रेंड को भी पाना है ना तान सब बिजी थे इसे तो इधर बार मला फ्रेंड एक ताली ना आसे
Welcome to Nagaland.
दो गुलो
Hello.
In the
Mahindra Bolero.
हाफ तक गाड़ी में जाओ हाफ तक बेराबो This is the
chicken hut.
yeah
Hen hut. All hen.
yeah
How much for one chicken?
I don't know per kg जैसे भी है 280 per kg 280 so we'll try जब kg एक kg का बने तभी हो खत्म तो नहीं गया कांगो से 736
736.
yeah 736 so I didn't pay for like 6 rupees
Yeah.
I bet only 730 yeah thank you
For whole chicken, good price.
what
Good price for whole chicken.
yeah I think so fishery pond I mean man-made lake
Yeah.
okay
We'll do both.
okay
Okay.
we'll give you the bag
Oh, my other homestay I went to was so nice. He gave me this bag from the Konyak tribe.
what's the homestay name you can promote for him
Oh yeah, Taipa Cottage in Mon.
Taipa
so nice.
Cottage
And they make
okay.
really good food.
Mm-hmm.
And they give Blake a necklace. Because you have a different necklace for men and women, don't you?
yeah we have
You got the boys one.
mm-hmm.
I'm very happy with my bag.
yeah this bag is known as Konyak bag
Konyak bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
सुंदर से जगह तो
All the way to Mon to get fish.
yeah इधर साउलेमन नहीं बीच साइलु से और इधर मनोन काम करान सा वो ना उन्हें जाओ जगह भी सुंदर से Hado, dalam satu. Ya mana jaga, kompe dalam sama jaga. ये दिला साख खत्म से काम करी से तान तो एकदम हन waterfall फुल जाए थे कि वो like every village has their own dialect local dialect or village dialect but for the tribe, we have a common dialect, Konyak.
Konyak.
In Nagaland, we speak Nagamese.
Nagamese.
So, ये देखो किसे मान ये दे अगर ये दे रखी थी वो और waterfall ले जाओ मतलब फिर मुझे ना से आज इधर सब मैंने बंदूक चला से looks cool man with a gun. Look like you know how to use it.
It's crazy gun.
Do we have this thing inside there?
Bullets?
Ah.
Yes, yes. Gun ये था ना.
Wow.
Watch out. Be careful.
Lolek mati man itu lovely lobo. Tuko patala fruits na. So nimuk olop lagaw lagi aro maikate pandi na. Sunlight rakhi pagi jao. Itu se. So Lilishe, Javo. This is the mitun, our state animal.
That's what your
That's what you have on the wall.
the government of Nagaland.
Yeah.
Big old horn.
Nadi bang jise.
No way. You just started, right, Konyak?
What?
You've only just started.
You just started. Anyway, you look strong, huh?
I'm sorry. We got this. So at the top, is there like a pool? You can swim in?
You want to swim?
Yeah.
I told you yesterday, be careful.
Yeah, I will.
You can swim on your rigs. This side, ma'am. I'm not gonna take the rigs. You know how to swim, right? You're good at swimming,
I'm a
right?
very good swimmer.
Okay, that's nice. Jibi murkilote fry gule to lips olop li lawo. Mahando sungyo mati, sungyo la patana. Murkilote fry gule bisi balas. Ndesho. Ole pata olop li lawo. Ye deba.
So we can use this for eating? Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah, really?
You guys are crazy how you do all this stuff.
एक पर तो गिरी से थाकन लेवी पुंजी से ये दे भात खाओ महान
True wildness.
all good
Yeah.
we'll have our lunch here we'll keep all our things here and then we'll have our lunch here from here we'll go up to see the waterfall we'll come back here and then we'll have lunch here
You can say you take the chicken.
July na pani gorom guri dibo first day July lise pani gorom gurubo na guna waterfall saule jabo ভাল গাছ আছে এটো মানে চিকেন কাটে বলে বানাবো না এটা চিকেন কাটে বলে বানাবো মুরগি চলাই দিব
There are some cash to include in it.
At culinary school, I didn't get to see it because it's like you just cook the food.
Mhm.
But someone did get to see them bring the neck of the chicken, and apparently it didn't die straight away, so they had to keep going for some time with the chicken. But this one was effective. Well done.
Crab.
Yeah.
Really? Where will you find crab? Here.
Wow.
Garlic is garlic or ginger. Bamboo de bana हुआ जो पात बनाया है और ये टमाटो चटनी बनाओले चलाया है टमाटो
Aha. Aha.
इधर के पैसे चटनी बनाओ टमाटो लाते मुर्गिला नाले लाते पाला है जो चटनी बनाओले बनाया है bamboo de चटनी बनाओ crab इधर मैं crab फिश ना जितना नहीं तो इसे और भी पाओ बड़े crab और tomato और king chili बहुत बनाओ
ಅಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಣೆ.
king chili ginger lots of garlic This is our chutney.
That was king chili.
Yes.
Really?
That's what I let you say. It's the same spot.
One or two, you want
I think we're fine there. I think. Yeah.
Oh.
That is fucking scary. Oh, what is
The guys last night that made the chicken biryani, but did they where did they buy the chicken from?
Chicken biryani last night?
Yeah.
I didn't eat.
Where did they buy it?
sold with a blanket. Yeah.
Huh?
They sold with a blanket.
Did they? How much are they selling a blanket for? Does anyone know?
खत्म होले से चटनी बना लो से और तुको पताला फ्रूट्स और चिकन और सब्जी सब भात सब बना लो से तो खा बजे मान वाटरफॉल ते जाओ लास्ट डे एन मो सुमो मेन मान्य सब्जी तो पाचूले से लंदन ब्रिज लगाना का वो
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Thank you so much.
I love king chili.
You want me to sing Konyak song, right?
Yeah.
I know one love song of Konyak. Konyak nango ada mong lau đầu tay lạc nang kem tuk phai Konyak nango ada सब रेडी हुई इधर तो भात खाबो मान प्लान चेंज कुछ भात खाई ना तो वाटरफॉल दे जाओ ले ऐसे मुलार फ्रेंड मुझे तो लास्ट खाबो तान दिया से एक जन मानु तो मंगसु न खाए तो तान तीन जन ही खाए तो एक जन मानु करने तो मुझे अगिला पता और मुझे लोला beans na itu banaise aro so mane bhat kha ase I hope tan khushi bhabo pare dikhai dibo tan bhat kala
Tasty.
So good.
You like it? Grays and black.
Very good.
I can only have a tiny bit of the chutney. It's so spicy.
Spicy? Which one is spicy?
This one.
The chutney, crab chutney.
It's so good.
Okay. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.
Bhat kha lise man. Ekdam bhal. How was your lunch?
Very good. Thank you, Tanya.
I can't do it again. I can't
He
do
loved it.
I loved it.
Brother.
It was so good. And thank you, Tony.
So tasty and spicy.
Man hole to 5 minutes hi hoi jaule daga hole bi olop diri homone ki tam eman diri biras na to hole bi ko noy plan guna hala sob kam guna jabo over sundur je jaga do I'll show you guys ayate aziz मैं अगर crab खाने मैं मुर्गी ले intestine दो ये दे रखी दिया लासे दो ये भी एक crab बसे Yes, you can hold here, brother. Another hand, you can hold here. Yes. Then you can slowly, be careful. Waterfall punji se. Wow. Good, eh? Sabi. Ah, yeah, sendiri lah. Oi! We did it! Do not get hurt. Wow. Be careful! What? Yeah, I told you it's very cold. Yeah. The waterfall.
It's so beautiful and so unexplored. And this is one of the best places that we have been so far. And the place is so nice and we are having so good time with Tony. And
I'm
so
happy to be
grateful.
back.
So grateful for Tony. Bro, would you like to say something?
About the waterfall.
Very beautiful waterfall.
This is
It's
cold.
amazing. It's a little bit cold, but I'm used to it because I'm from UK. It has a wall of flowers up the side. Most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen.
Ooh.
Go
Tony, hooray!
इधर खड़े जाओ हमसे सब साला खत्म होइसे तो waterfall सा खत्म होइसे आज ला दिन खत्म होइसे Thanks a lot for watching guys. I'll be back soon with a new video.